Hello guys, Zendrop Academy promises to take beginners from clueless to cash flow. But does it deliver? In this 2025 review, we'll explore what the training covers, who it's really for, and whether it offers anything beyond what free YouTube content already gives. So, Zendrop Academy includes step-by-step video modules on a store setup, product research, Facebook ads, and branding. It walks you through building a Shopify store using Zendrop and launching your first campaign even if you are starting from scratch. The content is broken into short, digestible lessons, ideal for beginners who don't want to be overwhelmed. Everything is explained clearly without assuming prior experience in e-commerce or marketing. That's a plus for total newcomers. And if you have already launched a store, tested product, or run ad campaigns, Zendrop Academy might feel a bit basic. These strategies are solid but mostly intro level. No advanced scaling tactics, high ticket funnels, or deep conversions optimization. Zendrop sometimes bundles live coaching sessions, checklists, and store audits with Academy access. These extras can be valuable if you want guidance or feedback, but they are only offered with certain plans or promotions, not standard with every membership. So Zendrop Academy is included in some Pro and Plus plans, so it's not extra charge for many users. Compared to paid courses from gurus charging $300+, it's reasonably priced and actually actionable. But again, don't expect secret formulas. So Zendrop Academy is a solid starting point for beginners who need structure and handholding. It won't make you six-figure seller overnight, but it can help you avoid costly mistakes and get your first store off the ground with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.